I woke up at 7 a.m. and started my day with a glass of warm water. For breakfast, I made idli with coconut chutney and had a cup of tea. The idli was soft. At 10:30 a.m., I was a bit hungry again, so I ate a boiled egg, which kept me satisfied for a while. At 1 p.m., it was time for lunch, and I had chicken biryani from the shop near my house. The biryani was aromatic, with perfectly cooked chicken and spiced rice that tasted so good. In the afternoon, around 3:30 p.m., I felt like having something sweet, so I grabbed a Snickers bar. The chocolate, caramel, and peanuts were the perfect energy boost. At 4:30 p.m., I enjoyed a small snack of chaku kapi and parapu vada, which my neighbor, Auntie Mira, made. She loves to share her delicious homemade snacks, and I really enjoy her cooking. For dinner at 8 p.m., I ate pathiri with chicken curry, which my brother had made. He's an amazing cook, and his chicken curry was rich in flavor and spices. Before going to bed, I drank a glass of warm milk with turmeric. It helps me relax and sleep peacefully. Okay, bye.